Hey there, ready to supercharge your designs with real-time data? I'm Paula, your DataPocket assistant, and in just a few clicks, you'll connect your Shopify store to your favorite design tools, effortlessly. Log into DataPocket or create a new account. You can use your Google account to log in. Welcome to DataPocket. Let's add a new data source. Choose Shopify and click Continue. Now install the DataPocket app on Shopify. You'll have to log into your Shopify account if you haven't done so yet. Click Install. Connect using your account. Well done! Your Shopify is linked. You can now go to Figma, Canva, or Adobe Express to design. Let's begin by installing the DataPocket plugin. Click the right mouse button. Go to Plugins, Manage Plugins, and search DataPocket. We are using the DataPocket samples for this tutorial, but remember, you can use the Shopify products that you've just connected. This is our planned shop example connected to Figma, which includes images, text, and prices. I'll start by choosing a product from the product list. Next, I select an image from my design and click on the one I want to replace it with. I'm going to replace the 3 images that I have in my product page. Then, I select the title from my design and click on the text field I need. I also want to add a little description. Finally, I'll finish the design by replacing the price. Perfect! Your design is ready. Let's go back to the product list. Select your design. Now, the data autofill buttons are enabled. This is where the magic begins. Click the data autofill button on a product. See how the image and title automatically change in just one click. Fast, isn't it? Now, imagine that you want to do the same with multiple designs, all at the same time. Select them all and click the wand button. See how the designs have automatically changed in a matter of seconds. Easy peasy. Now it's your turn. I can't wait to see how your products will look with this trick. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting updates.